Hey everybody, today we're going to check out this Smart Pan-Tilt security camera. It's a nanny and pet camera that someone sent me to review and unbox. So let's unbox it first. So this is what the box looks like. Got the camera photo on the front, all the features on the side here. There's all sorts of things that it does. Let's open it up for you guys. Inside the box, on the left side, we've got the camera itself. It's inside this little pouch here, and I believe, yeah, so you can turn it this way, and there's your camera, and there's the base, and on the back there's a charging port. So also inside the box is a manual to tell you how to use it. And lastly, inside the box is another little box. And I believe inside of here, yes, there is a USB-A to USB-C camera, or cord, sorry. And a charging block, so you can plug it into a wall outlet. And then also in here, if you wanted, you could mount this somehow. You put this plate, it connects to the camera, and you screw this into whatever it is you're mounting it to. And there you go. And that's everything that comes in the box of this smart camera. So let me set it up and we'll review it. Okay guys, so I've got the camera. I've got it out of the box, and I've got it plugged in through the USB cord. And I'm able to, in order to control the camera, you have to connect it to an app that they tell you to scan a QR code in the manual, and you can connect it to an app, and then you can control the camera. This camera here pans up and down, and it also spins left and right. I don't want to force it because I believe you're supposed to use the app to control it. And then you can see what this camera sees on the phone. You do have to connect your phone to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You can't use it. It's not compatible with 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So you need to have a 2.4 gigahertz or less Wi-Fi to control this camera. I also noticed on the bottom of the camera here, let me turn it just a little bit, there is an SD slot, so you can plug an SD card in and record whatever this camera sees as well. Some of the features this has: it has cry detection, so if you want to use it as a nanny cam, it will turn on when the baby cries. It also has night vision, motion detection, and it also has two-way audio, so you can hear what people are saying, but you can also talk back and forth. And it has, like I said, it has local storage, but you can also store it in the cloud through connecting it to your mobile device and store the data that way. So let me turn on the camera so you can see what I would see through my screen, and then we can give you more of a demo of the camera itself. One of the things I forgot to mention is the motion detection. So if I turn on motion detection, this camera will be able to detect when someone is in front of the camera, and will let you know through a notification. Plus, it will probably follow them as they're going along. So let's test that out. I'm going to stand up and see if it follows me around. Let's see if it follows me. I don't know. Maybe it's just doing motion. Oh, wait. I have to turn on motion tracking. There we go. So now it will follow me around, and it will keep track of me as I'm in the room. So this camera is really very slick. I like it a lot. This motion tracking thing is kind of a game changer. It's really very accurate. I like this a lot. Let's see if I can trick it. ha! I did trick it. Took a little while, but it found me again. So, I like it. It's not 100% perfect. You're not going to save Fort Knox with this, but it's very cool. And I think you will really appreciate this camera if you use it for your watching your pets or your children.